Hi guys, got a Postbag here. It arrived a few days ago and I've been leaving it in case I got anything else turning up so I could do more than one in a single episode. But nothing else has turned up, so we'll just open it up and see what it is. Because I can't think what it is. It's very well padded. Oh, nothing exciting at all. Just a bunch more propellers for my Hubsans. I ordered these because I couldn't find any spares. I knew I'd got some, and obviously I have now found the missing propellers, so now I've got dozens of them. Well, I think there's 20 in this pack, so I've probably got 40 or 50 of them spare. Never mind. Oh, I suppose I could get one of the Hubsans out and give it a little fly just for a few minutes. Right, not ideal conditions to try and fly one of the little quads because it's dark out there, so I'm having to use artificial lights. But we'll give it a go. I think this is the one that I was down to 3 good propellers and one that keeps flying off. I can't remember which one it is that flies off. I think it's the white one. We'll have a look. That's assuming this one's still charged up. No, I think flashy LEDs means the battery's already run down, doesn't it? Right, okay, this may not be long because I think this is the one where one of the propellers flies off. Oh, no, it's not going to be that long either. Lights are flashing again. Okay, so that one's going to have to be put on charge for a few minutes before we can do anything with it. What's this other one then? Is this the one where the propellers fly off? Looks like it's drifting off to one side of it. Yeah, those lights are flashing too. Okay, well, the propeller hasn't come off yet, so I think it's that white one on the other one. Fail, Grandad. Oh dear. Right, I'll put them both on charge and then we'll see which one the propeller falls off. I'm pretty sure it's one of them two. Right, we'll have another go. I've charged the batteries up. Okay. Well, the propeller hasn't come off, has it? Maybe I found the last good ones I had. Oh, that stopped rather rapidly, didn't it? That's what you call a rather dramatic, "I've had enough, I'm stopping." Oh, just fell out the sky. Okay. Interesting. That was one that one of my friends sent me. I think I had to do something to it to get it working. Can't remember what. But never mind. So that's that one. How about the other one? That one seems a little bit odd as well. That's what I was aiming for. That'll be annoying Nanny. She's already gone to bed. Okay. Oh, battery's gone already on this one. Okay, well, that'll do. Neither of them propellers came off, so I'm guessing I must have just decided I didn't have any more left that were good ones. Used up all the good ones I had. Never mind, I got loads and loads of propellers now. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.